In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva, a versatile design tool that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, whether for work, social media, or personal projects. Let's dive right in. To start crafting your design, head over to the Canva homepage. At the top, you'll see a search bar, your gateway to endless design possibilities. Click into the search bar and type what you want to create. Maybe it's a professional presentation, a social media post, a flyer, or even a personal project. Let your creativity run wild. For example, if you want to create a work presentation, type work presentation into the search bar. You'll be greeted with a wide variety of pre-made templates designed to save time and provide inspiration. Scroll through the selection and find a template that resonates with your purpose and style. This step is crucial because the template sets the tone for your entire project. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template. This opens the editing workspace where the real magic happens. Here, you can tailor every element to fit your vision. Start by modifying the text. Double-click any text box to type in your own information. Don't hesitate to experiment with fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand or preferred aesthetic. Canva's real-time preview ensures you always know exactly how your design will look. Next, consider enhancing your design with visuals. Click on the Elements tab to search for graphics, shapes, lines, and icons. Maybe you want a whimsical touch. Search for cute animals to find charming illustrations. Drag and drop any element into your workspace and adjust placement as needed. Adding more text boxes is just as easy. Navigate to the Text tab and choose from basic text boxes or stylish typography pairings to elevate your design. You can also upload personal images or branding assets by clicking Uploads and dragging your files directly onto your template. Canva makes it effortless to incorporate your own photos or logos. As you experiment, remember the Undo button is your friend. Try different placements, colors, and elements until everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, your design is ready to be shared with the world, reflecting both your unique vision and the power of Canva. With Canva, designing is fast, intuitive, and fun, perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.